your lack of self-confidence, your lack of self-esteem is having a massive impact on your marriage. And we're not even getting into the whole other idea of like, if you don't have any confidence or self-esteem, you're probably not great at setting boundaries. You're
Mm-hmm.
probably always seeking validation from your partner.
Mm-hmm.
You're probably not making a lot of strong, firm decisions for yourself,
Yeah.
right? So essentially, you're kind of just showing up at this husk, which is like, I'll do whatever you want as long as you're happy with me.
Yeah, and that's something that's very detrimental in marriage because confidence creates emotional safety in a marriage.